Porsche's GT3 has always been the benchmark for pure driving exhilaration. But for 2025, the 9992 generation GT3 has been refined to near perfection. Today, we dissect every detail, from its razor-sharp aerodynamics to its race-bred engineering, to see if this is the ultimate track weapon. At first glance, the 2025 GT3 looks familiar, but look closer, and Porsche's obsessive refinement becomes clear. The front splitter is now more aggressive, working in harmony with the revised underbody vanes to increase downforce by over 12% over the previous model. The iconic swan neck rear wing isn't just for show. Its revised end plates reduce turbulence, while the enlarged diffuser ensures the rear stays planted at high speeds. Porsche claims a total of 1,200 lbs of downforce at 124 mph, numbers that rival some GT3 race cars. The heart of the GT3 remains its Golf 4.0L, naturally aspirated flat 6, now producing L525 horsepower and now 347 lb-ft of torque. A slight bump thanks to revised intake geometry and lighter valve train components. Redline? Still an ear-shattering DOS 9000 pulsar with throttle response so sharp it feels telepathic. Porsche's e-Hau 7-speed PDK Haus remains the quickest option, but purists will rejoice. The 6-speed manual you saw is still available, now with shorter throws and even better clutch feel. The 60, 3.0 seconds flat. Top speed, 198 mph. But numbers don't tell the full story. This engine isn't just fast, it's one of the last great naturally aspirated masterpieces. Where the GT3 truly shines is in its chassis. The double wishbone front suspension, borrowed from the 911 RSR race car, delivers unreal front-end grip, while rear axle steering ensures agility at low speeds and stability at high speeds. The standard Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires are stickier than ever, and Porsche's rear-wheel steering makes this car feel like it rotates on rails. Braking, the standard carbon ceramics, now larger by Tadin Meduos, deliver fade-free stopping power lap after lap. Inside, the GT3 is all business. Lightweight and carbon bucket seats, a titanium roll cage option, and a track-focused display. With shift lights ensure you're always in the zone. Porsche's new Track Precision app integrates seamlessly, giving real-time lap analysis. Yet unlike some hardcore track toys, the GT3 remains surprisingly livable. Optional climate control, a decent sound system, and even parking sensors remind you this is still a Porsche you can daily. So, is the 2025 Porsche 992 GT3 the ultimate track weapon? In many ways, yes. It's sharper, faster, and more capable than ever, yet still delivers that raw, unfiltered driving thrill that makes a GT3 special. For purists, it's a near-perfect blend of race tech and road legality. For Porsche, just another masterpiece.